Now let's simplify this, where we have 3 whole number 1 over 4 plus 2 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 3 over 5. Here we are working with mixed fractions. So in our solution, the first thing you want to do is to bring all of this into improper fraction. So for 3 whole number 1 over 4, we will have it as 4 times 3 plus 1 over 4, which would give us 12 plus 1 over 4, and then 13 over 4. For the second mixed fraction, we have 2 whole number 1 over 2, which would give us 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 4 plus 1 over 2. And 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we have 5 over 2. And then for the third, we have 2 whole number 3 over 5, which would give us 5 times 2 plus 3 over 5. And when we do this, we will have 10 plus 3 over 5, which is 13 over 5. Making the problem to be written as 13 over 4 plus 5 over 2 minus 13 over 5. Now let's find the LCM of 4, 2, and 5. Two goes here twice, and 2 once, 5 comes down. Now 2 is still a factor, so 2 can go here 1, 1, and here we have 5. And then finally we have 5, which gives us 1, 1, 1. Bringing our LCM to be 2 times 2 times 5, which is 20. Now let's evaluate this. 13 over 4 plus 5 over 2 minus 13 over 5. Draw the long division line. Okay? Now that we have this, remember we would write the LCM in the division in the denominator position here. So we have 20 here. So for the first fraction, we would have 20 divided by 4, and then we multiply that by 13, plus, to the second fraction, we will have 20 divided by 2 multiplied by 5, minus, then we have 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 13. Now, let's solve this. To simplify it further, here we have 20 divided by 4, which would give us 5. So we have 5 times 13 plus 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. So we have 10 times 5 minus 20 divided by 5 would give us 4. So we have 4 times 13 all over 20. And this would give us 5 times 13 would give us 65 plus 10 times 5, that is 50, minus 4 times 13, that is 52. All over 20. Now, 65 plus 50 would give us 115. Minus 52 over 20. And then our final answer would be 115 minus 52. That would give us 3 here. And then 11 minus 5 would give us 6. So we have 63 over 20. Now, which we will then bring to mixed fraction. 20 in 63. That is 3, because 3 times 20 will give us 60. That is, we have a remainder of 3. So 3 whole number 3 over 20. That concludes this question. So 3 whole number 1 over 4 plus 2 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 3 over 5 would give us 3 whole number 3 over 20. Thank you.